Hey everyone, welcome back to HackEye. So today I'm gonna teach you about OSINT, Open Source Intelligence. So let's start.
So at first go to any of your browser and search double clone and anything, then again double clone. So it's called Google Dorking. So Google Dorking is very popular method to find anything easily in Google search. So here you can see we can easily find any YouTube channel or any social media account from Google. Now you can search double clone at the gmail.com, then you can type file type or password, and you can also find file type like txt or anything, or you can also search sites like github.com or google.com. Let's see. So here you can see you can easily find any vulnerable websites or vulnerable websites password or login credential which are available in github.com. You can also use this for google.com easily. So here is one of the username finder that you can search and find any social media account of any person. Here you can see the social media accounts of HackEye. Now you are seeing the Yandex. It's also a search engine like google.com. Here is one more username finder website like find my username. It's very popular and easy to use. And lastly, it's PimEyes. It's very favorite to any OSINT engineers or cybersecurity enthusiasts. You can also search anything by Google image search. It's very easy also. Anyone can find it for any person from here. Here I see a OSINT framework like username finder, password finder, etc. You can find anything about it or any framework from here. So let's jump into a terminal. So here is a popular app like tool like Sherlock. It's very easy to use like Sherlock, HackEye. So you can find or HackEye or any other people's username. You can find easily their accounts from social media. And lastly, here some exploitable database which are available in google.com or any other Tor browser. So here is this.
If this content helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.